I am back with today's eyeshadow look. I did a pink with a little shimmer, nice and soft for summertime. I'm going over to a friend's house, so I did a light makeup look so I can just sit back, relax, and have a drink. I used the two lipsticks from my July Shop My Stash, and I use it for eyeshadow base, both of them, and then I took a shimmer and put on the lid over this lipstick, and I put a pink eyeshadow over this lipstick. This lipstick is also my blush, and this two lipstick is also my lip color. Today's word is by A.E.I. Falconer. It says, in meditation, it is possible to drive deeper into the mind to a place where there is no disturbance and there is absolute solitude. It is at this point in the profound stillness that the sound of the mind can be heard. This is by A.E.I. Falconer, and that's today's word, encouraging word or inspiration word. And I got this from the Complete Pocket Positives. I have this book for a while. I love it. Again, today's eyeshadow look is a nice pink summertime look. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to go out and live life. Kick fear on the side and make your path. Whatever it is that you want to do today, do it in baby steps. I am saying bye. See you soon in another video.